Dear learners, my name is Mohammad Sattar, Assistant Professor of English at PPC Government First Grade College, Chalkere. Victorian Literature Part 2, Program BA, Subject Optional English, Semester 5th, Davangere University, Session 53. Recap. Vemik and Pip jointly tried to send Magwitch out of the country. The two important developments. Vemik advised to taken out at this week. Pip went to his native place to confirm another note. Pip's state of mind. Pip did not save Magwitch from the police. In the departure time, Magwitch saw Compassion and pronounced upon him. Magwitch and Compassion attacked by each other, and Magwitch is captured by police and sent to trial. Compassion tried to escape but drowned in the river water. Introduction. Death of Magwitch. Joe and Biddy married. Magwitch has tried to escape from the police but was caught and put him in the prison hospital. There he got dead. Pip returns to Marsh Country. There he knows that Joe and Biddy married after the death of Miss Joes in the convicts' attack. Learning objectives. The students will understand the death of Magwitch. Students will understand Joe Biddy's marriage as the human flaw through the incidents in the novel. Students will understand Pip returns to Marsh Country. There he knows that Joe and Biddy married. Session outcome. Students will be able to access the thematic substances of Dickens' human flaw through the incidents in the novel. The students will explain the Joe and Biddy's marriage as human flaw through the incidents in the novel. Students will portray Pip's return to Marsh Country. There he knows that Joe and Biddy married. Contents. Magwitch to be put on trial. Herbert to leave for Cairo. When Magwitch was captured and put in prison hospital, there he was ill, his health declined, he lost weight, weaker and weaker day by day. Finally, Magwitch was sentenced to death in the trial and death of Magwitch in the same prison hospital. Readers of the novel Great Expectations have know who is the real benefactor of Pip to become a gentleman. Pip resolution to remain loyal to Magwitch. His original aversion Magwitch is gone now. He looks upon Magwitch as his benefactor. Magwitch to be put on trial. He was taken to police court. Herbert to leave for Cairo. He takes the charge of branch office. Pip's folly condition towards the situation. Wemmick blamed Pip for his folly in not having accepted the large amount which was forfeited by the government. Wemmick got married to Miss Kiffins, but Pip acted as the best man. Pip acted as the best man while the bride was given away by Wemmick. Herbert's bride prospects. Herbert's departure for Cairo makes Pip feel very lonely. The element of humor at the situation. When Wemmick married Skiffins, he does not inform Pip to act as the best man. When Magwitch was captured and put in prison hospital, there he was ill, his death declined, he lost weight, weaker and weaker day by day. Finally, Magwitch was sentenced to death in the trial. Beside Magwitch, 31 individuals received the death sentence on that very day. The trial was a brief affair. Mr. Jagger tried to defend him as best he could do. After some days, Magwitch was living in the prison hospital. Then we saw the death of Magwitch in the same prison hospital. The night Pip drafted a petition to Home Secretary of the State stating the circumstances compelled Magwitch to return to England. He visited Magwitch daily in prison. Pip could see that Magwitch was dying. At the time, Pip told Magwitch that the daughter of whom he had been very fond was still alive. The moments later, Magwitch was dead. At the time we see goodness in Magwitch's character, it is concerned wholly fate of Magwitch. Magwitch has got sympathy by the readers after his death. Being convict, Magwitch lived the life, but he did not forget who helped food and file in early days of his life. Readers of the novel Great Expectations have know who is the real benefactor of Pip to become a gentleman. So here are some questions. Pip knew that who was the real benefactor of him, Magwitch, Joe, Compassion or Miss Havisham. The option is Magwitch. Whom did put on trial? to Compassion, to Orlick, to Magwitch, to Startup. Same option, to Magwitch. Whom did took to police court? To Compassion, to Orlick, to Magwitch, to Startup. Here also to Magwitch. Who went to Cairo? Compassion, Orlick, Magwitch, Herbert Pocket. That is Herbert Pocket. Whom did Wemmick marry? Miss Kiffins, Biddy, Estella, Clara. And the answer is Miss Kiffins. So here are some assignments for you. Write about Magwitch to be put on trial. Describe Magwitch was captured and put in prison hospital. He was ill with health declined. He lost weight weaker day by day. Draw the readers of novel Great Expectations. Have to know who is real benefactor of Pip became a gentleman. So here are the references. Humphrey House, The Dickens World, Dorothy Van Ghent, The English Novel, F.R. Lewis, Dickens the Novelist, Philip Collins, Dickens and Education, Dickens, In and Crime, Charles Dickens' Great Expectations by Ramji Lal, A Critical Study.